Hey guys, let's go ahead and move your cursor to the bottom right of the dock and right click on the gap between the icon. Click on dock preferences. Here you can adjust the size of your icon. Magnify your icon, as well as moving your dock to the left side or to the right side, and changing the effects when minimizing your application. You can also hide your dock. Let's go ahead and right click between the icon again, select turn hiding on, and your dock will disappear. To view the dock, simply move the cursor to the bottom of the screen and it will reappear.